Hello. Um, yes, you know me. I think that most of you know me, and I'm sorry, but I don't know maybe most of you. And this is my ninth summit in a row, so maybe I came here for near a decade. This is the third talk in a row, so I'm very happy to be there with you today. And I think that we are more than just people who attend the big summit every year and to see a lot of talk. So I think that we are now a family, and as a family, I would like to share something special to you because this is my upgrade. I upgrade my life to the next LTS version, long-time support. So I would like to share it with you. Thank you, thank you. And I think that maybe Zabbix Cloud is out, so maybe it will be easier now to upgrade for you like I did. So my talk is about alert fatigue and how to deal with business. This is related very to business, not just technical things. And we all, I think, faced this situation. But in Zabbix problem view, we have so many troubles, so many problems. And we don't know where to look at, on the left, on the right, maybe under. So as an example, if I take off the link of the main router, we will have many problems. So how to identify the most important of them? And I think that this is a functionality that is not really used by you. Maybe we will see after. But cause and symptom is the answer to this challenge. So one question, who use usually, or maybe one time only, cause and symptoms in your installation? Just 2 people? 3 people? Okay, because I think that everybody is capable to know Zabbix. You have maybe attended to a training or something else, but I think that cause and symptoms is really a functionality, a Zabbix functionality that could save you many times, many hours to deal with problems and to be sure that, okay, I'm looking at the right problems and the root cause, the main problem is that. So the objective of cause and symptoms, as you know, is alert noise reduction. A friend of mine, Thomas Hermanek, told previously that, yes, we could reduce the alert notification because if you are using cause and symptoms, the trigger will not fire and the action will not, fired because of the link between problems and action and cause and symptoms. And it will improve your time, your resolution time, because you will be focused on the main problem. Okay, if you agree with that. So how it works? We have data collection and also trigger definition. So you know that Zabbix, okay, collect continuously data from various sources in your IT infrastructure. The cause, this is the main point, the problem that needs immediate attention. So you will focus on that to resolve that in a hurry. And the symptoms, this is the secondary alert trigger by the root cause, but not the actual situation. As an example, there is some alerts in your problem view. For example, this is a web application. The service is down. I am unable to fetch the data from the web service. And I have an alert. My interface is down. So how to deal with the main situation? What is the main cause? I think that all you know, this is the interface that is linked down. So if I wanted to use cause and symptom, I just select the problem that I want to classify as symptom and click on the cause and just make a left click. And I choose mark selected as symptom. Okay, this is as simple as that. And in Zabbix now, you will have all the symptoms under the main cause. Okay, this is usually how you are using it. But as you can see, there is too much manual work because every time you will face a situation like that, you need to click on the symptoms, select the root cause, and then after that, the problem view will be updated with the situation, with the root cause. But How easy IT we deal with that? I think that you are tired. This is maybe the end of the day. So I think that you know me. This is banana time. So we will enjoy it. And of course, you know what to do. When I say banana, you say? I can't hear you. Sorry. Banana? Okay, okay, perfect. Okay, okay. So we have an idea because I will not do Zabbix for all of my life. So I found a factory of banana by miracle. So I invested, and we have a branch in Brazil, another branch in France. The main situation was, okay, we have two instances of Zabbix, one in Brazil, one in France. And how can I be able to manage what is the situation in Brazil? And from the Brazilian people, what is the situation in France? They could not take a look, have a look of what is okay or what is not okay. So this is a problem. And they want to be sure that, okay, they want to see if there is a lot of problem or not regarding the services, regarding the availability of the services from Brazil to France and from France to Brazil, okay? So in the real world, when I have a network component that is not reachable, I have several causes, and I use cause and symptoms to select the symptom and say that, okay, the cause is the router maybe who's not reachable, and my devices depend of this cause. This is the basic utilization of cause and symptoms. But we upgrade, we enhance this functionality with automation from Easy EEM. I will talk about Easy EEM just later, who is powered by Zabbix. And as you can see, this is not just, okay, I have the router done, but many device is not reachable now. We have only one alert to say that, okay, you have currently a problem. The problem is maybe regarding the network component who is unreachable less than 5 minutes. So in my case, the usage of root cause and symptoms, is to group every single network device who is unreachable under a single one that say, okay, I have got too many network devices, too many information who say that everything is not reachable, and I have to deal with that, okay? Instead of showing a lot of problem in Zabbix, I have one cause and many, many symptoms automatically grouped with Easy EEM. So what is Easy EEM? It is IAM for Intelligent Event Management. This is a whole business manager based on Zabbix. So we did not invite a new solution. We only use Zabbix as a Zabbix role manager, and I will show you how to create some rules definition. We use tags, we use problem name. So I could say that, okay, I want to check, I want to be sure. This is without AI. This is, for the moment, done manually. You have to specify, okay, the content that you want to match in the Zabbix problem, eventually the tags, and you say that, okay, in this period of time, maybe, for example, 5 minutes, if I got 5 occurrences of this incident, who told me that, okay, some problem occurs on the network. You have, for example, too many security alerts. You have too many failed logins, and so on and so on. So you are able to create some rules, some business rules, who will create automatically the cause and bring together the symptoms out of that. So if I process with Easy EEM, my problem say that network device is not reachable and so on. I have only one alert to say that, okay, I've got some problems, okay, too many devices is unreachable. I say? And now, how to prevent this view? How to deal with, okay, I have one Zabbix in France, one Zabbix in Brazil, but I like to see if everything is working from my several places. How to do that? So we invented Easy Monitoring Grid as an innovative way to show you the problem, to show you specific things from Zabbix information. Maybe you know this view. I showed you last year these things. And It shows the data from the Brazil data center, and for example, also the data from the Zabbix the France data center. How it is working? You know that if you are based on OSI layers, you could separate, you could split your application in several components, in several layers, okay? You have one application for the process, for the service, the network, the connectivity network. The storage, for example, if it's a SAN, a local disk, and so on. And the system, regarding the resource usage, it is memory, it is CPU. I think I would say banana because most of you are sleeping now. So banana? Banana. Thank you, Vladimir. I saw you. So you are able to show, to give a simple view, not a technical one, because nobody else, okay, if I got high CPU usage on my SAP application, if I show you only the line CPU usage, you won't be able, maybe if you don't know IT, okay, what is the CPU usage on this machine? I don't know. What is the impact? What is the relationship between my application and the technical things, okay? So this is a very simple way to show you the things through easy monitoring grid. And we also have a business view. I'm sorry, I am in advance. The business view, it's also based, because it's based on Zabbix, on the event and the tags. So you are able to create some simple view. With one click, you are able to create by API these things to show you, okay, business view from the backup. Is there between Zabbix and EEM some correlation, some action to show? The CRM, for example, SAP, security, and the shop, okay? And sorry, I think I'm done. So I would always say, so the small is beautiful because of what? Cause and symptom is a small functionality from Zabbix, but it is part of the product. And I think that it is an unknown functionality that could do most of the things for you if you know how to handle it. And that's how we deal it with EasyIT. So I'm Steve Destivelle from EasyIT. You saw that we are the biggest wild banana breeder in the world, French-speaking community leader. And thank you for your time and listening. And maybe we catch us after in the party. Thank you.
Definitely.